What's up, guys? So it's Sunday, and that means it's a box break day. So this is what we're doing today. The Optic 2016 Donruss Optic football. It's not a hobby box, so it's a mega box. So it's 4 cards per pack, 10 cards per box, so you get 40 in here. And then there's one mem card exclusive to this mega box. So let's do it. Alright, so there's our stack. Put it over here. Von Miller, Denver Broncos. Man, these are shiny cards. Brandon Cooks, Saints. Rookie card of Sean Davis for the Steelers. A rated rookie of Moritz Boehringer for the Vikings. And then your kid reporter. Definitely expired. Gary Barnridge. Is that how you say his name? Yeah, Barnridge. Oh, no way! Is this our... Oh, that's awesome! CJ Precise! That's the first time I pulled a Seahawk patch, like ever. So that is pretty sweet. Already hit the mem patch. Very cool. I'll take it. Alright, Keenan Reynolds for the Baltimore Ravens, rated rookie. And a rookie card of Kavare Russell for the Chiefs. Alright, there is Russell Wilson for the Hawks. Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Reggie Ragland, a rookie card of his for the Bills. Nice! Dax rookie. We'll see how he does this year. I'm excited to watch. Rated rookie. Alright. Blake Bortles for the Jags. Austin Johnson, a rookie card for the Titans. Jeff Driscoll, 49ers, rated rookie. And another rookie, Jihad Ward for the Raiders. Sweet. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. Eric Decker for the Jets. Mackenzie Alexander for the Vikings, rookie card. And a rated rookie, Chris Moore for the Baltimore Ravens. Cam Newton, Carolina Panthers. Doug Martin, Tampa Bay Bucks. Ricardo Lewis, a rated rookie for the Browns. And Sean Davis, rookie for the Steelers. Jeremy Langford for the Bears. Odell Beckham for the Giants. Will Redmond, rookie card for the 49ers. That looks like it's rainbow prism. That's cool. Rated rookie Jordan Howard for the Chicago Bears. Latavius Murray, that's cool. Raiders. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Pharaoh Cooper for the Rams, rated rookie. They're going to be cool this year. I know it. And Reggie Ragland for the Buffalo Bills, rookie card. Jamal Charles for Kansas City Chiefs. Cody Core for the Bengals, rookie card. Sheldon Rankins, rookie card for the Saints. There's another rainbow. Nice. There's a Jared Goff rated rookie for the Rams. Last pack here. Steve Smith Jr., Baltimore Ravens. Greg Olsen for the Carolina Panthers. Leonte Carroll for Miami Dolphins, rated rookie. And Mackenzie Alexander, a rookie for the Vikings. That was it, guys. Short and simple. Next weekend is going to be another football. I'm not sure what yet. We're going to throw it back a few years. Maybe like a 2015 or 14 or 13. Something like that. So subscribe to my channel and then like me on, well, I guess it's not like, huh? Instagram. I'm on Instagram as Buzz Sports Cards. So give me a follow over there. That would be sweet. I'll see you guys next weekend.